when a school field trip ends up in amputation.
I heard the rumble strips, and then I just heard kids screaming. Oh, I hope that little girl can keep her foot.
Yeah, me too.
A high school field trip takes a terrifying turn when a bus crashes into a guardrail, trapping a student inside the wreckage. In the aftermath, Michigan State Police review the bus's security footage, and what it reveals changes everything.
We all know what comes after that.
Yes. Yes, you end up on TV getting arrested.
The following is based on official police records, and the footage has never been seen before until now. Please note that all persons charged with the crime are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law. On Saturday, March 29, 2025, Michigan State troopers arrive at the scene of a devastating crash.
Alright, is anyone dead?
No. We got one that's still partially trapped. Her feet are pinned in underneath from the guardrail right now. That's it.
That's a horrible way, that's a horrible spot to be stuck in right there.
Lady in the long sleeve white shirt, right in the middle of the 2 groups, older lady, that's the driver. I didn't, like I said, I didn't ask her what happened yet or anything like that.
Okay. Alright.
According to police records, the bus was carrying 9 high school students and 4 adults, including the driver.
And just sheared the whole side of the bus off just now.
A twisted chunk of the guardrail has pierced the bus, trapping a young teenager named Emma inside. As emergency crews work to free her, a state trooper checks on the other students.
Are you guys on a field trip or?
Yeah, we're going to college.
A college tour? Where are you guys from?
Grand Rapids, Civic Theater.
Okay. Do you all go to the same high school or different high schools?
It's for theater. It's for a theater program.
A theater okay. Where are you guys going to visit? What college?
We're going to Oberlin College.
Oh, where the heck is that?
It's in Ohio.
Oh, okay.
Thankfully, the students among the group report only minor injuries, including a bloody nose, head, and leg pain. A trooper questions the driver, 44-year-old Angela Fitzgerald, hoping to understand how the incident occurred.
I don't know if I hit something and veered over like that.
When did you guys start driving?
I picked them up at 6 o'clock, so I started driving at about 5:30.
Okay.
We haven't been on the road long at all.
Now, where were you taking them to?
Ohio.
Ohio. Okay. Where did you guys start from?
Grand Rapids.
Grand Rapids. Okay, so not too far.
No, we haven't gone.
Okay. Do you think it was some sort of vehicle defect that happened, or?
I'm not sure.
Did you fall asleep or doze off?
I don't think so.
No.
Doesn't think so? How do you not know? You either if you get sleepy, okay, yeah, I'm not even
It was pulling, but it was pulling to the left, and it wasn't anything. I couldn't really tell if it was wind or if it was the wheel pulling.
Okay.
But it did seem to be pulling to the left, but this was the right.
Okay.
However, one of the adult mentors for the Civic Theater program shares a concerning observation.
Did you see what occurred or anything, or you just kind of were just like, ah?
I mean, I noticed that our driver had dozed off at first, and then they must have just, full stopped. Yeah.
Investigators will later see the truth for themselves after viewing the security footage from inside the bus.
Nobody wants to get into an accident.
What's that?
I said nobody wants to get into an accident. With
No.
The kids. I'm going to beat myself up over this one.
No, I got you.
I have 2 kids myself. I just towed the kids back by the ambulance. I'm expecting one of your moms to show up and beat me up any minute now. I know how I'd react in this situation.
Yeah, I got you.
I probably wouldn't beat anybody up, but I would do it.
When's the last time that you had something to drink, alcoholic beverage? Months.
According to police records, while Angela was deemed to have slower speech at times, there was no other sign of impairment. The trooper noted no odor of intoxicants, no bloodshot or watery eyes, and that Angela was able to maintain her balance. Per company policy, Angela consents to go to the hospital for a blood draw.
You don't have any weapons or anything? Do you have any pockets here?
No.
Any pocket knives or anything like that?
No.
Okay, is it okay if I check your purse real quick?
Go for it.
Thank you. I'm not going to go too crazy. Lorazepam. When's the last time you took the...
About 8 o'clock last night.
8 o'clock last night, okay.
Yeah, I don't take them home driving.
That's fine. Okay, perfect. I'll have you take a seat in here.
I'm not going to put you in handcuffs or anything, but
Okay.
I'll just fasten that.
All right. I promise to behave myself, not play with your computer.
No, you're fine.
I won't start pushing buttons. I do like air horns, though, and I do see air horns.
better not.
All right, so now what? No, they're not going to say nothing. Nobody will be there. I just need to start looking for new jobs. Like right now.
Once Emma is freed from the bus, she's transported to Sparrow Lansing Hospital with a severe injury to her left foot and ankle. 3 other students are also transported by ambulance for treatment, and the rest are picked up by their parents at the crash site. While heading to the hospital for Angela's blood draw, the trooper updates his colleague over the phone. Though the news he shares about Emma is redacted, Angela has a clear reaction to what she's about to hear.
Just past the exit is like the face of the guardrail. And then essentially what happened is the bus just ran down the side of the guardrail. It ended up shearing off the passenger side a little bit. And then one of the girls' foot. And she went down to Sparrow. So that's why we're calling you guys.
Oh, I hope that
What could he have possibly said in those 5 seconds?
little girl can keep her foot.
Yeah, me too.
According to Angela, she went to bed last night around 8 p.m. and got plenty of rest before this morning's drive.
Did you feel tired driving? Did you have some coffee this morning?
I didn't have any coffee this morning. I was a little tired.
You were. Okay.
But I've never fallen asleep in a car, period.
Do you think that you dozed off? I mean,
I don't think so. Like I said, I can't sleep in your car while you're driving.
Okay.
I'll get sick.
okay.
So I can't see myself being able to...
You don't know for sure.
No, I don't know if the wind caught me, if I hit something and it knocked me to the side. I don't know. It
Okay.
just happened so fast. And then I heard the rumble strips, and then I just heard kids screaming.
While Angela isn't certain what caused
How strong is the wind? Are you in a fucking tornado? Like, what wind speeds could you possibly be in for an entire, like, van to, like, or not van, a bus to be, like, constantly going to a right? It doesn't
the
make any
crash?
sense.
The bus's internal cameras captured every second and will soon show exactly how it all unfolded.
Do I need to do a breathalyzer and stuff too?
No, we'll just,
Oh, they can
I guess
pull
if
that out the blood.
if you'd be willing to, that's fine. But
I'll do
we'll
whatever
just,
I need to do.
you said you haven't drank in months anyways.
No, I'm not. We were just laughing about it last night. You could come to my house and make just about any drink you want.
Oh,
We go to the store and buy alcohol, and it never gets open.
yeah.
I'm normally too tired to drink. Drinking makes you tired.
Right. It definitely does.
Unless you overdo it, and then it makes you stupid, and I'd rather not be either.
And we all know what comes after that.
Yes. Yes, you end up on TV getting arrested.
Something like that. Do you do any marijuana?
I ate a couple gummies probably a week ago.
A week ago?
Yeah. If there's going to be anything else in my system, that's what it would be.
Okay. But you said that was a week ago?
Yeah.
So that should be dissipated for me.
At the hospital, a preliminary breath test reveals no indication of alcohol in Angela's system. Any other potential impairment would depend on the results of her blood test. Meanwhile, after receiving crash data from the bus, the troopers discuss the results, which capture the violence of the crash in shocking detail.
She was going 68 on cruise control the entire time leading up, no braking until 0.2 seconds before the near collision, before the near deployment, which would have been the collision with the guardrail.
Right.
And at that 0.2 seconds before, she jerks the wheel.
She did say she hit the rumble strips. I don't know if that has anything
She
to do.
would have went past the strips.
Hmm.
In order to hit where she did on that guardrail, I think she would have been at past the rumble.
Okay.
But she jerked it back. That's what made it a glancing blow with the guardrail.
Gotcha.
So
she would have been going straight at it if she
yeah,
didn't.
because when the road curved there,
Yep.
she would have teed it up.
Ooh.
And then it would have killed everyone.
While the guardrail kept the bus from plunging down a steep embankment, The collision with the rail itself inflicted the most devastating injuries.
The piece that was in the bus, that was the head piece. Like, that was the front.
From where they first hit?
Yes. That was the front of the guardrail.
Oh, so that's where it came in.
That's where it, like, it goes down and then there's that little strike plate on it.
Yep.
Well, it took the strike plate with it.
Oh, okay.
Dude, that's what that was. That could have been way, way worse.
So that was initial impact was screwed her foot.
Yes.
And then it just kind of...
And then it rode the line. Like, it
rode her. And then just sliced her.
Yeah. One of the passengers smoked their head on the top windshield.
What?
There's a perfect head strike.
Like the front windshield?
Yeah. So, like, there's the...
Like by the driver windshield.
Up above. Like, if you're standing straight up, dude, they went launched.
According to police records, a young girl named Michaela was among those transported to the hospital and was diagnosed with a concussion and traumatic brain injury. Michaela's mother informed investigators that the young teenager had brain surgery prior to the crash, and the injury re-agitated the area of her brain that she had surgery on, resulting in her being placed on 24-hour supervision by doctors.
Wow. That's crazy.
And a head strike will you up.
Oh, I mean, especially if they hit it and it, like, compressed back.
Yeah. Because then you can get some spinal compression. And...
I can't wait to see the video, though.
Yeah. Like, that was almost really bad.
Yeah.
Video footage was quickly obtained, revealing the horrifying moments just before impact. The footage begins at 6:53 a.m. The road ahead is clear, with no sign of oncoming traffic.
Is everybody okay?
Oh yeah, she was 100% sleeping.
Oh my god! Emma, are you okay? No. Emma, somebody help Emma. Emma, are your legs okay? No. Emma's legs are Hold on. I don't know where my phone is. Hi guys.
Michigan State Police reviewed the footage, noting that the driver's eyes appear to be closed for several seconds before crossing the rumble strips. Just before impact, the driver's eyes open and the bus takes a sharp turn to the left. The sudden force of the impact causes the person seated directly behind the driver to fly forward. The bus then continues to travel along the length of the guardrail, where it eventually comes to a stop. According to forensic lab results, alcohol was not detected in Angela's bloodstream. However, there were detectable amounts of THC and lorazepam in her system at the time of the crash. Tragically, 4 days later, on April 2nd, Emma's left foot had to be amputated. Emma and Michaela's recovery efforts have been detailed in 2 GoFundMe campaigns. According to court documents, 44-year-old Angela Fitzgerald was charged with 3 counts of operating while intoxicated causing serious injury and 3 counts of operating while intoxicated with an occupant less than 16 years of age. She entered a plea of no contest as part of a plea agreement, and 4 additional charges were dismissed. She's not yet been sentenced. If you'd like to see select new videos early,
Yeah, that's a messed up situation, honestly.